अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू उस्ताद।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बि यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर। आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। We are learning Lisanul Qur'an volume 1, and today inshallah we will complete the lesson number 7 about the preposition, and we will start the next lesson inshallah. Yesterday we were doing the exercise number 6. In this exercise, decline the underlined nouns in the following sentences. So these are the nouns. We have to decline them. What is their i'rab? So naji'ina, it is ism majroor, jama muzakkar salim, and it is majroor with ya. It is majroor with the ya. Al-kutubu al-rafaini, the books are on the shelf. So rafaini is ism majroor. Musanna, this is musanna majroor. This is a musanna majroor with ya. Al haju raji'un min Makkah. The haji, the pilgrim, is returning from Makkah. Makkah is ism majroor. It is mamnu min as-sarf. So it is majroor with fatha. Mamnu min as-sarf nouns, they don't take the tanween and they don't take the kasra when they are the majroor. So Makkah is ism majroor. It is majroor because of the min and it take the fatha. And this is the exercise number 7. These are the verses from the Noble al-Quran. And in this, pick out the nouns taken in the genitive case by proposition. So we have to pick the nouns in the genitive case. Ism majroor. Alhamdulillah, the first is Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Alhamdulillah. All praises belongs to Allah. So where is the ism majroor?
Lillahi.
So lillahi. Li is harf jar and Allah is ism majroor. Li is harf jar and Allah is ism majroor. And it is majroor with the kasra. And the second is Abil haqqi anzalnahu. We have sent down the Qur'an with the truth. We have sent down the Qur'an with the truth. So where is the ism majroor?
Bil haqqi.
Ba
Bil
bil
haqqi.
haqqi.
Okay. I want to medical refer.
Sorry?
Social. Date 12, I told I want to medical report. The wait.
وَبِالْحَقِّ أَنزَلْنَاهُ. B is harf jar. B is harf jar. And al-haqqi is ism majroor with the kasra. It is ism majroor with kasra. Haqqi, there is shadda, and below the shadda there is a kasra. Bil haqqi. Wa ilallahi al-masir. So where is the harf jar and the ism majroor?
وإلى.
Ila, not wa. Ila is harf jar. Ila is harf jar. And where is the ism majroor? Which is ism majroor?
Allah.
Allah is the ism majroor. Allah is majroor with kasra. And to Allah is the final destination. And to Allah is the final destination. Afama nahnu bimayyitina. So are
B.
we not going to die? Are we not going to die? So where is the harf jar and where is the ism majroor?
B. And
B.
Mayyitina is majroor.
B is harf jar, mayyitina is ism majroor. So mayyitina is musanna or it is jama?
Jama.
This is jama. Okay.
So that
B.
means the actual meaning is our life not with death, is it?
What means?
Our life not with death. The meaning.
Meaning
Because the meaning is with death, is it?
meaning is there. So we are not going to die. What is confusion in this translation? Is there any confusion with this translation? So we are not going to die. في قلوبهم مرض. So where is the
P is harjar. Qulubihim is majroor.
D. Fi qulubi.
في قلوبي. قلوبي is harf is a majroor.
Yeah.
قلوبهم is a majroor because of the fi. في قلوبهم مرض. There is a disease in their hearts. There is a disease in their hearts.
I have a question, Ustaz.
Yes, what is the question?
Qulubu is mubtada.
Maradun is mubtada. Fi
No.
qulubi is shibul jumla.
Oh, no.
Fi qulubi is jar majroor. Shibhul jumla. Phrase. Prepositional phrase. And the shibul jumla, it can never be a mubtada.
No.
So when the khabar is earlier, the mubtada is nakira. Maradun. A disease. There is a disease in their hearts. Innani minal muslimina. Indeed, I am among the Muslims. So where is the ism majroor and
minal muslimina.
Minal harf jar.
min is harf jar. Min is harf jar. Al muslimina is ism majroor. Ism majroor jama muzakkar salim majroor with ya. Jama muzakkar salim majroor with ya. Anzala minas samai ma'an. We sent down water from the sky. So where is jar and majroor?
Min harf jar.
Min is harf jar.
As-samai
Is ism
ismun
majroor
majrurun bil kasri.
bil qasr. Khatamallahu ala qulubihim. Allah has sealed their hearts. Khatamallahu ala qulubihim. Allah has sealed their hearts. So where is the preposition and harf jar and ism majroor?
Ala harfu jar qulubi
Qulubi.
majrur bil kasrah.
Ala harf jar. Qulubi is ism majroor with kasra. Walil kafirina azabun alimun, and for the disbelievers is a painful punishment. There is a painful punishment for the disbelievers. That is a painful punishment for the disbelievers. So lil kafirina
Lam harf jar.
lam harf jar and kafirina
Lil kafirina
jama muzakkar salim
ismun
Jama
this is jama muzakkar salim majroor
ya.
bil ya, and azabun is mubtada. Azabun is mubtada and lil kafirina is khabar. وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الرُّوحِ, and they ask you about the spirit or the soul. So where is the harf jar and the proposition ism majroor?
an harfu
An.
jar ar-ruhi
An.
majrur bil kasrah.
An is harf jar. Ruhi is ism majroor with kasra. Khalaqal insana min alaqin. Allah created man from a clot of blood. Allah created man from a clot of blood. Okay. So where is the jar and majroor?
Min
Min is jar.
harf jar.
Harf jar.
Alaqin
Alaqin is ism majroor with kasra.
Sifu jumla.
Yes, this is not shibul jumla. This is verbal sentence. Jumlatul fi'liya.
No.
This is not shibul
So
jumla.
khalaqa
so
zamadi.
alaqin is what?
Alaqin is ism majroor. Min is harf jar. Alaqin is ism majroor.
No.
Jar and majroor in the verbal sentence jumla fi'liya, they are only jar and majroor, not a
No.
shibul jumla. They are shibul jumla only in the nominal sentence.
نعم
جملة اسمية.
Sir,
ولله yes,
so therefore, for verbal sentences, there's no mubtada and khabar, is it?
there is no mubtada. There can be a khabar. There is a khabar in the verbal sentences, but there is no mubtada. Walillahil mashriqu wal maghribu, and the east and the west belong to Allah. So where is Ism Majroor?
Lillahi lam harfi jar.
Tama.
Allahi isim majrur bil kasrah.
Yes. So lillahi is jar and majroor. Summa atimmus siyama ila layli. Then complete the fast until the sunset, the darkness of the night. Summa atimmus siyama ila layli. So where is jar and majroor?
إلى
Al-laili
حرف جر
illa
Ila is jar.
al-laili
Al-layli is harf jar with
isim
kasra.
majrur.
This is ism majroor with kasra.
نعم
Yes.
أستاذ this is جملة الفعلية.
Yes, this is jumlatul fi'liya.
نعم
Okay. Okay. Next is laqad mannallahu alal mu'minina. Indeed, Allah has conferred a great favor on the believers. So where is ism majroor and the harf jar?
Alal mu'minina.
منين على
Ala
حرف الجر.
jar al-mu'minina isim majrur bil jamak taksir.
Yes. Alal mu'minina. It is ism majroor jama muzakkar salim, not jama taksir. This
Oh,
is jama.
afwan.
This is jama muzakkar salim,
Muzakkar salim.
and it is majroor with the ya. Inna kazalika naf'alu bil mujrimina. We do the same to the criminals. We do the same to the criminals. Inna kazalika naf'alu bil mujrimina. So, where is jar and majroor?
B
Bi
jar
harfi jar al-mujrimina isim majrur.
Al mujrimina is jama
لأنه
muzakkar salim,
مذكر سالم.
Jamak
majroor
muzakkar
with kasra.
salim.
Majroor with
مجرور.
ya. Jama muzakkar salim, majroor with ya. وَمَا بِكُم مِّن نِعْمَةٍ فَمِنَ اللَّهِ. Whatever blessing you have. وَمَا بِكُم مِّن نِعْمَةٍ. Whatever blessing you have. فَمِنَ اللَّهِ. It is from Allah.
نعم
So, where is jar and majroor?
من الله.
Bikum
Just
Yes,
uh,
become many here. Become Martin.
just only mention with the noun, not with the
the
damir.
verb kum
من الله.
Min Allahi. Okay. Min is harf jar. Allah is majroor.
نعم
Okay. Then
Sure, what about become? Because become Dhamma, Dhamir is mabni.
Mudaf
Kum.
ilaih.
Kum is
This,
not ism.
this is also jar and majroor, but we yet not learn about the pronouns, so we leave it now. We just have learned about the nouns. So if there is a noun, we only mention the noun. This is a pronoun, so just leave it for the time.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Then, is there any jar and majroor in this sentence, in this ayah?
Yes.
Where is?
Min ni'mati.
Min ni'matin. Min is harf jar. Ni'matin is a majroor
Majrur.
with kasra. Lahu man fis samawati wal ardi. Lahu man fis samawati fil ardi. All those in the heavens and on the earth belongs to the Allah. Belongs to him. So him means Allah. Lahu belongs to Allah or him. Man fis samawati wal ardi. All those in the heaven and on the earth.
No.
So where is the jar and majroor?
Fis
Fis
samawati.
samawati.
He is
Fi
harf
harfi
jar.
jar. As-samawati isim majrur.
Is a majroor. Then is there
What of
any
lahu?
Jama'
Lahu.
Jamak muannas salim.
jama muannas salim majroor with
jama' kasrah.
kasra? Okay. Then any is there any noun?
Lahu.
Just leave the pronouns. I told you that we
La.
yet not
Wal
learn about
ardi.
the pronouns. So just leave it for this time. Only mention the noun.
Ardi.
Ardi.
Yes.
Ardi is also is a majroor.
Isim majrur.
No.
Bil kasrah.
Yes. Okay, next is فَأَخْرَجَ بِهِ مِنَ الثَّمَرَاتِ رِزْقًا لَكُمْ. Then he bought out some fruit from it as provision for you. فَأَخْرَجَ بِهِ مِنَ الثَّمَرَاتِ. Then he brought out some fruits from it, رِزْقًا لَكُمْ, as provision for you. Rizqan as provision, lakum for you. So is there any jar and majroor?
Min
Min
as-samarati.
samarati.
Min
Nas.
samarati. Samarati is a majroor with kasra. Jama
Jamu muannas salim.
muannas salim majroor with kasra.
Kasr.
Okay. The next is walakum fil ardi mustaqarrun wa mata'un ila hin. And on the earth you shall have your abode and your livelihood for an appointed time. So is there any jar and majroor?
Fil ardi.
Fil ardi.
Fi harfi jar. Al ardi isim majrur bil kasrah.
Okay. Is there
Ilahinin.
Ilahi.
Ila is harf jar.
حرف الجر هيني
Is
اسم مجرور بالكسرة.
with kasra.
Kasra.
Okay.
Hinin, hinin is what?
Hinan is time, appointed time. Masalu nurihi kamishkatin. Fiha misbahun. Fiha misbahun. Al misbahu fi zujajatin. The example of his light, his nur, is like a niche. Is like a niche. Within which is a lamp. Within there is a lamp. The lamp is within a glass. Al misbahu fi zujajatin. Al misbahu fi zujajatin. The lamp is within the glass. Fiha misbahun. Within there is a lamp.
Within which is a lamp.
Yes, which within there is a lamp. Then al misbahu fi zujajatin. The lamp
The lamp
is
is
within the glass. Within a glass. So where is the jar and majroor?
Kamishkatin.
Ka,
Ka.
في جزاجة
Ka is
Ka.
harf jar. Mishkatin
مشكاة
is
Mishkatin.
majroor with kasra. Fi harf jar and
جزاجة
is kasra.
مجرور
Is
بالكسرة.
a majroor with kasra. So this was our lesson. Alhamdulillah, it is completed, the lesson number 7. This is the vocabulary. At the end of every lesson, there is a vocabulary. So you can look at the vocabulary. The next lesson is about the demonstrative pronouns. Asma-ul Isharati. What is the Asma-ul Ishara? There are the two kinds of the Asma-ul Ishara. One is Asma-ul Isharati lil Qaribi. Demonstrative
For
pronouns for near distance. Demonstrative pronouns for near distance. And what are they? Haza tilmizun. This is for muzakkar. This is muzakkar. Hazi tilmizatun. This is muannas. So here you can look at these sentences. First we learn about the muzakkar. If a noun is muzakkar and mufrad. If a noun is muzakkar and mufrad, then we use ismul ishara haza. Tilmizun is muzakkar and it is mufrad. We are using haza. Haza tilmizun. This is a student. And if the noun is masculine and it is the dual, musanna, muzakkar, tilmizani. So for the musanna, we use hazani. Hazani. We added an extra alif. Hazani. Tilmizani. These are two students. And if the plural, we use haulai. Talamizatun. Talamizatun, male students. Talamizatun means male students. So this is Jama. So for Jama Muzakkar, we use haulai. Haulai talamizatun. These are students. If the Jama Muzakkar or Jama Muannas, both. If the Jama Muzakkar or Jama Muannas is ghair aqil, okay, we do it later. First we go to the feminine. If the noun is muannas, tilmizatun. Tilmizatun is muannas noun and it is mufrad. For the muannas and mufrad, we use hazihi. Hazihi tilmizatun. This is a student, female student. Two female students, tilmizatani. And we will use hatani. Hatani tilmizatani. These are two female students. For the muannas jama, tilmizatun. Haulai tilmizatun. These are female students. So for the jama of muannas and muzakkar, the ismul ishara is the same. Haulai we can use for the jama muzakkar and haulai we can also use for the jama muannas. If the jama is ghair aqil, then we use ismul ishara hazihi. Aqlamun. This is the plural of the qalamun. Aqlamun is the plural of the qalamun. The plural of the ghair aqil is equal to feminine singular. Feminine singular. It is equal to muannas wahid. So we will use it hazihi. Hazihi aqlamun. These are pens. When we translate, we will translate in plural. Pens. These are pens. Ashjarun. This is plural of the shajaratun. Shajaratun is muannas noun, but it is ghair aqil, irrational being. So we will use ismul ishara hazihi. Hazihi ashjarun. These are trees. Jamma of the ghair aqil, we will use ismul ishara for the muannas wahid. Hazihi. The demonstrative pronoun is a type of definite noun. Demonstrative pronouns is ismul ishara. They are definite nouns. They are marfa. The above mentioned examples illustrate demonstrative pronouns which are used to refer to point what is close at hand. Haza is masculine singular. Haza is masculine singular. Hazani is masculine dual. Hazihi is feminine singular. Hatani is feminine dual. And haulai masculine and feminine plural. Haulai we use for the both masculine and the feminine plural. Inanimate objects and animals are considered singular feminine. They are considered as singular feminine in the Arabic grammar. In the Arabic grammatical rules, inanimate objects and animals, ghair aqil, irrational being, they are considered as singular feminine for all grammatical purposes. Therefore, the demonstrative pronoun for feminine singular hazihi is used to refer these. As above, we have learned. The object or person referred to it is called musharun ilay. Like in the example you have seen here, Haza tilmizun, Haza ismul ishara, tilmizun is musharun ilay. Haza is referring to the tilmizun. Hazani ismul ishara, tilmizani is musharun ilay. So here, Haza is ismul ishara and it is mubtada. Haza ismul ishara is mubtada. Tilmizun is khabar. Hazani mubtada. Tilmizun is khabar. Haulai is mubtada. Talamizatun is khabar. Hazihi is mubtada. Aqlamun is khabar. Hazihi is mubtada. Ashjarun is khabar. Same here. Hazihi is mubtada. Tilmizatun is khabar. Hatani is mubtada. Tilmizatani is khabar. Haulai is mubtada. Tilmizatani is khabar.
So for two female, can the khabar be kasra?
Khabar kasra what mean?
For the two female,
Yes.
Hatani tilmizatani. Is it tilmizatani nun is kasra?
The musanna take the kasra. The musanna take the kasra. Hatani tilmizatani. When it is marfu, it is marfu with the alif. Hatani, alif is marfu here. Hazani, alif is marfu.
Understood.
Yes. Kalamani, talibani, tilmizatani. So musanna, there is a alif and noon. Musanna is ending with the alif and noon is with the kasra. And it is marfu. We will learn here, inshallah. Now we will learn demonstrative pronouns for distance. Asma'ul isharati lil ba'idi. Zalika rajulun. That is a man. So zalika is ismul ishara for muzakkar. This is for muzakkar. And this is for muannas. Zalika rajulun. Zalika is ismul ishara for muzakkar. Rajulun, a man. This is singular and muzakkar. So we are using zalika. Zalika rajulun. That is a man. Zalika is ismul ishara. Zalika is mubtada. Zalika is ismul ishara and it is mubtada. Rajulun is khabar. Zanika is ismul ishara for the muzakkar musanna. Rajulani. Rajulani. This is muzakkar and musanna. Two men. So for muzakkar musanna we use zanika. And for the plural, rijalun. Rijalun is jama muzakkar. For the jama muzakkar, we use ulaika. Ulaika. Then for the muannas, imra'atun, a woman. This is muannas wahid, a woman. We use tilka. Tilka imra'atun. That is a woman. So tilka is mubtada and imra'atun is khabar. For musanna, imra'atani. This is musanna. So we use tanika. Tanika imra'atani. And our women, plural, muannas and plural, we use ulaika nisa'un. Those are women. So ulaika we use for the both. For muzakkar jama and for the muannas jama. Same like the haulai. Haulai also we use for the muzakkar and muannas jama. Then buyutun is plural of the baytun. This is where akil jama are plural of the ghair akil. With the plural of the ghair akil, we use ismul ishara, feminine singular, muannas wahid. Tilka buyutun. Those are houses. Hadaiku, the plural of the hadikatun. Tilka hadaiku. Those are gardens. So for the ghair akil jama, we use tilka. Demonstrative pronouns for far off distance are used to refer to distant objects. Zalika. Zalika is masculine singular. Zanika is masculine dual. Tilka is feminine singular. Tanika is feminine dual. And ulaika masculine and feminine plural. The demonstrative pronoun for singular feminine tilka is used for plural of inanimate objects and animals, means irrational being. The plural of irrational being, we use feminine singular, tilka. Now we will learn about the demonstrative phrase. The demonstrative phrase. Al-Murakkab, Al-Murakkabul Ishariyu. This is demonstrative phrase. Haza tilmizun. This is a student. Is a complete sentence. Haza tilmizun. This is a student. It is a complete sentence. That makes complete sense. That makes complete sense. If the demonstrative pronoun occurs with a noun defined by the article al. If the ismul ishara, demonstrative pronoun or ismul ishara. If the ismul ishara occurs with the noun defined by article al, alif and lam. This compound of ism ishara and mushar alayh is termed al-murakkabul ishariyu. Example, hazat tilmizu. At-talmizu, it is definite with the alif and lam. It is occurring with the alif and lam. Hazat tilmizu. So its meaning is this student. Its meaning is this student. While hazat tilmizun, this is a student. So hazat tilmizu, this student is not a complete sentence. Rather, it is a phrase. It is not a complete sentence. It is a phrase. A predicate must be added to complete the sentence. Hazat tilmizu zakiyun. This student is intelligent, clever. So we bring here a predicate. So now the sentence is complete. This is murakkabe ishari. And murakkab ishari is murakkab nakis. It don't give the complete meaning of the sentence. We need a predicate. Now we will learn the i'rab of the asma'il ishara. What are the i'rab of the asma'il isharati? Declension of the demonstrative pronouns. In the nominative case, when they are the marfu. Hazal kitabu mufidun. This book is useful. This book is useful. So haza is mubtada and mubtada is marfu. Mubtada is always in a nominative case. Mubtada is always marfu. Mubtada can never be mansub. Mubtada can never be majroor. Haza is ismul ishara and it is mubtada here. So it is marfu. Hazal kitabu mufidun. This book is useful. So mufidun is khabar. Hazal kitabu is murakkabe ishari. Hazal kitabu is murakkabe ishari. Demonstrative phrase. So haza mubtada and haza is mubaddal. Haza is, we call it mubaddal. What is al-kitabu? Al-kitabu is badal, substitute. Al-kitabu is substitute of the haza. Haza and al-kitabu, it is the same noun. Haza is referring to the book, and book is haza. They are the same noun. They are the same noun. So haza is book and book is haza. So they are the badal and mubaddal. Kitab is substitute of the haza. And mufidun is khabar. So haza is marfu here. If the musanna hazani, hazani is marfu also here. It is musanna and marfu. It is marfu with the alif. Okay. So hazani is musanna and muzakkar. Al-kitabani. Hazanil kitabani. These two books, mufidani, are useful. So haza is mubtada. Haza is mubaddal. Al-kitabani is badal. Substitute. And hazani is musharun ilay also. Just now we learned that it is musharun ilay. And mufidani is khabar. Now we learn about the mansub. Qara'atu hazal kitaba. I read this book. I read this book. So qara'atu hazal kitaba. So haza, this is the object, this is the maf'ul bihi. This is maf'ul bihi. And it is mansub. So al-kitaba is taking the kasra. Because the ismul ishara, murakkab ishari, they have a same declension. So haza is remaining the same. Haza. There is no change in the haza. But its mubaddal, its badal will change its harka. It will be mansub. Hazal kitaba. I read this book. Qara'atu hazainil kitabaini. I read these two books. So hazani is changing to hazaini. Hazani is changing to the hazaini, but haza is not changing. So it's mean that the ismul ishara for the mufrad, it is not changing, but for the musanna, it is going to change. Qara'tu hazainil kitabaini. So here hazaini is mansub, and al kitabaini is also mansub with ya. Ism musanna is mansub with ya. Then majroor, bahastu an hazal kitabi. I searched for this book. I searched for this book. An is harf jar. So haza is majroor. Haza is not going to change. Its mushar ilay will change. Al-kitabi. Bhastu an hazainil kitabi. I search for these two books. An is a preposition. Hazani is going to change with the hazaini. And kitabani going to change kitabaini. So what we learn here? Haza is marfu. It is haza. Haza is mansub. It is still the haza. And haza is majroor. It is still haza. There is no change in the haza.
So, sir, the Iraq is it bil alif all for three cases.
What?
For Haza, how do Iraq? Is it all bil alif? Haza.
Yes, haza is not going to change. Haza will remain constant.
I know, but what about the Iraq for the harakat, last harakat? Haza.
When it
Is
is
it bil
not
alif?
when it is not going to change, what is the meaning?
Mabni.
The mabni means there will be no change. So it will remain constant. Harka will remain the same. Harka will remain the same. This is mabni ala sukun. Alif is sukun. Haza, the alif is sukun. So alif will remain the sukun. There will be no change on the ending of the haza. Okay. So when it is marfu, we will say fi mahali rafa. This is fi mahali rafa. When it is mansub, fi mahali nasab, at the place. Fi mahali nasab. And when it is majroor, fi mahali jar. So ismul ishara, mufrad, it is mabni, it is not going to change. But the for musanna, it declines. Hazani, hazaini, hazaini. Look here. In sentence when the demonstrative pronoun haza is a subject, it is mubtada. According to the general rule, it should be in the nominative case. However, there is no indication of the nominative case in it. There is no fatah in the haza. There is no indication of the nomination case in it. In sentence 2, haza is the object of the verb. In the second sentence, qra'atu hazal kitaba, it is object of a verb. Namely, it is in accusative case. However, it bears no sign denoting to the accusative case. There is no fatah at the haza, but it is in accusative case. Hold on a minute. Okay. So in sentence 3, haza is preceded by a proposition. However, there is no evidence of the genitive case. There is no kasra on the haza. It becomes clear that the demonstrative pronoun retains its form. The demonstrative pronouns retains its form in all three cases. Namely, the vowel of its final letter is static. Such nouns which retain their form in all three cases termed as mabniun, invariable, or we call them constant. They are the invariable or constant. So we end our lesson here, inshallah. Next week we will continue from here. Any of you have any question?
Thank you very much, Ustaz.
You're
We
welcome.
we are getting it. Thank you very much. Yes.
You're welcome, inshallah. Next week, inshallah, we will continue. Ila liqai masalama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
جزاكم الله خيرا
Thank you.
وسلام في الدنيا
Ameen wa yakum.